Church of God, elect and glorious, holy nation, chosen race, called as God's own special people, royal priests and heirs of grace. Know the purpose of your calling, show to all God's mighty deeds, tell of love which knows no limits, grace which meets all human needs. God has called you out of darkness into His most marvelous light, brought His truth to life within you, turned your blindness into sight. Let your light so shine around you that God's name is glorified, and all find fresh hope and purpose in Christ Jesus crucified. Once you were an alien people, strangers to God's heart of love, but He brought you home in mercy, citizens of heaven above. Let His love flow out to others, let them feel a Father's care, that they too may know His welcome and His countless blessings share. Church of God, elect and holy, be the people He intends, strong in faith and swift to answer each command your Master sends.